Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this piano from Vangoa. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this and I'll show you how it sounds, but first some things you need to know. First of all guys, this is a 61 key piano. It has a lot of different features. It has a whole bunch of different instruments that you can program it to, all the way from piano to clarinet to harps to modern electric to some synthesizers. Guys, this comes packed with lots of features, and at the price that you get it, it's comparable to some other ones that I've seen that are much higher prices. It also has some teaching methods that you can use to teach yourself how to play piano, as well as a lot of cool rhythms over here. Because this also comes with this microphone, and you can plug this into the back, and so you can sing along to songs that you're playing, or whatever you want to do with this. It's really cool. So right here is an LED display, and you can see whatever you're typing in there, like if you're changing the volume, something like that. First of all, guys, this piano and the speakers sound great, as you can tell. Just listen for a second. So as you can tell, it sounds really clear. The speakers sound good. As you guys can see, this has a lot of really cool features and it's super easy to use. As we talked about, you have the instruments over here. You have a bunch of different rhythms over here. This is really self-explanatory, guys. Down here on how to use it is volume, the accompanying volume, chord volume, tempo, volume. You can record, you can play, you can program different things. You can just do a lot of stuff on here. It's super simple. Let's listen to a couple different examples. Let's try an organ. So we're going to just type in 104 here for the organ, just like it says up here. Super simple. Let's try one more. What should we try? Let's try a flute, maybe. 013. Anyway, guys, this thing just sounds great. It looks great. It works great. And I just really like it. As you guys can see, this thing sounded great. Has a lot of different features that are really awesome and really cool. My favorite thing, guys, just has to be the fact of all the stuff that is packed into this at the price that you get it. All those different instruments, what it sounds like. The speakers are incredibly clear. Everything on this just sounds great, guys. And I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.